Well, I think firstly, your initial opening statement should clearly articulate why you want to do computer science. What is it that interests you in the subject in the first place, and why you want to study it at university. You need to remember that as a selector, we do see a lot of applications, so this opening statement is incredibly important. We need to know why you want to do the subject that we're very passionate about, that we're going to teach you, and how this can impact on your future career, how you can make an impact on the world, etc. I think the second thing we're looking for is, why you? What is it that you can bring to our subject? What have you done previous to this? You may have had some work experience, you may not. In many respects, work experience is great. You can bring something with you. However, not everyone has the opportunity to do that. The third part of your personal statement is very much about you on a more personal level, perhaps other things that you do outside of your academic studies. What we look for is someone who has potential, someone who is passionate about either the subject or about some extracurricular activity. We're looking for students who are well-rounded, who are team players, who enjoy, singing in a choir, running the local Scouts club, just enjoys simple team-type activities, because ultimately what you do within computer science is team-based. A lot of the work is team-based. So yes, we talk about a well-rounded person, but really it's to show that you have involvement, and ultimately this is what you bring to the university.
In general, what we want to see in the first paragraph, and this is where we would prefer you to wax lyrical rather than keep to a dry and formal statement, is what's made you fall in love with the subject of earth sciences? Why are you passionate about this subject, and why do you want to take this forward in your life at this present point? It might be your fossil collection from the age of 4, or it might be that you've watched Ian Stewart on television, or you've been on a field trip or family holiday somewhere with regional geology that's very interesting and exciting. Whatever that reason is, we want you to really bring that out in the first paragraph and really engage us in your personal statement. The next part of the personal statement should really then evidence what you have done since falling in love with this topic, and whether that was 8 years ago or 2 years ago or even 6 months ago, what sort of things have you undertaken to evidence that love of earth sciences as a subject? This might be in the form of joining professional societies, subscribing to journals, or organising work experience, or Sutton Trust programs, or further skills development. Within this context, you can also address how do the A-levels that you have chosen, or other qualifications that you may have chosen, build upon your desire to study earth sciences? What elements of whatever subject that you are studying can you bring to bear and contextualize within your desire to study earth sciences?